guys, how are you all? So today we are going to have a lecture on Oxford Progressive English for grade 1. So today we are going to do unit number 4, check up time. Listen and speak. Activity number A, listen to your teacher, draw a line from the person to the correct food and color it. Okay, so in this activity, have to draw the line from the person to the correct food, and then you have to color this food. Okay, so the first one is done. She's Fiza. She has got 5 mangoes, and you have to color these mangoes orange. You have to color these mangoes orange. Then Mummy, she has got 10 beans. You have to color these beans green. You have to color these beans green. Daddy has got 8 eggs. Daddy has got 8 eggs. You have to color these eggs brown. You have to color these eggs brown. Sarah has got 5 sweets. You have to color these sweets red. Okay, you have to color these sweets red. Ali has got 3 ice creams. Ice creams should be white, so you no need to color them. She is Fiza. Fiza got 5 mangoes. You have to color them orange. Mummy got 10 beans. You have to color them green. Daddy got 8 eggs. You have to color them brown. Sarah got 5 sweets. You have to color them red. And Ali got 3 ice creams. You have to keep them white. You have to keep them white. Now activity number B, how many ask and answer questions about the pictures in the exercise number A. So you have to do this activity with your mother. She's going to ask you some question and you are going to answer. Similarly, you will ask some questions and she'll answer. Example, how many mangoes does Fiza has? She has 5 mangoes. So the first one is done. Second one is, how many ice creams does Ali? How many ice cream does Ali have? So now you have to answer her, how many ice cream does Ali has? He has 3 ice creams. He has 3 ice creams. Similarly, how many sweets does Sarah have? How many beans does Mummy have? And how many eggs does Daddy have? So you have to question and answer each other. You have to answer he, she and has. You have to use these words, he has or she has. Then you have to complete your answer, that as she has 5 mangoes. Okay, so you have to use he and she. Phonics and words. Activity number C, write question and answers about these pictures. Example, what is this? It is a van. It is a van. So second, what is this? This is a, it is a ball. It is a ball. What is this? It is a hen. It is a hen. What is this? This is a book. And what is this? It is a cat. So the van is in red color. The van is in red color. The ball is in red and yellow color. The ball is in red and yellow color. The hen is in brown color. The hen is in brown color. The book is in red color and the cat is in white color. Activity number D, use the letters in the box to complete the words. First we are going to read these letters, Y, E, A and N, G. So you have to use these letters and then you have to complete the words. So this one, you have to look at the picture and then just remember the word. These are flowers. These are flowers. So Flow, then dash S. FLOWERNS. So you have to use ER in this. Then there is beans. Then there is beans. Beans are in green color. They are in green color. So BEANS. BEANS, beans. This is a teddy. It's in brown color. It's in brown color. TEDDY. DDY. The last one, she's a girl. She is eating a cake. She's eating a cake. She's wearing red shirt and the cake is in brown color. So she is eating. She is eating. 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 Flowers, beans, teddy. She is eating. Sentences. Activity number E, complete the sentences using the words in the box. First we are going to read these words: sitting, wearing, reading, drinking. So example, the monster is dash a book. The monster is dash a book. So there's a monster and he is reading a book. He is reading a book. It is dash a cup of tea. What is he doing? He is drinking a cup of tea. He is drinking a cup of tea. It is dash on a ball. He is sitting on a ball. He is sitting on a ball. It is dash a trouser. It is wearing a trouser. It is wearing a trouser. He's having red trouser, yellow shirt, green cup, brown hat and a flower over it, blue book, and he's sitting on a ball which is of green, yellow and red color. Okay. Activity number F. Now answer the questions about the monster. Start your answer with it is or they are. It is for singular and they are for plural. So example, is the monster's cup red or green? It is green. The monster's cup is in green color. Number 1. Are the monster's eye big or small? His eye are small. They are small. The eye are small. They are small. Number 2. Are the monster's legs long or short? They are long. They are long. Is the monster's hat big or small? His hat is big. It is big. Number 4. Is the monster happy or sad? He is happy. It is happy. Are the monster's teeth black or white? They are white. They are white. Last activity, that is activity number G. Write some more sentences about the monster. So you have to write some more sentences about the monster, like I have told you a few. That is, he's wearing yellow shirt, red pant, green tea. The tea is hot and his skin color is brown. He's having brown hat, a flower over it. He's sitting on a ball, the colors of ball. He's reading a book, the color of book, and some sentences like this. So you have to write at least 10 to 15 sentences on your rough register, and then you have to say your mom to check it. Okay, so we have done unit number 4, checkup time. We have covered all the activities. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then thumbs up. And you want to lecture on some specific topic, comment below the video or DM me in Instagram. My ID is over your screen. I will meet you tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Allah Hafiz.